ating Chapter Treasurer, MG Dambalasek Galos.
Certification of recognition. This is to certify that Jomar MG Dambalasik Igalos is a recognized qualified chapter treasurer of Bukandala Chapter under the Guardians Knights and Cavaliers Incorporated with Philippine Security and Exchange Commission Registry number 2023-100-121-151-04 dated first day of October 2023. This certification was issued to confirm the legitimacy of his status as Chapter Treasurer in the Guardians Knights and Cavaliers Incorporated or GKCI. Given this 7th day of January 2024 at Barangay Bukandala, City of Imus, Cavite, Philippines. Congratulations.